very important for the wind industry to always focus on bringing down the levelized cost of energy. Today in Weidmüller we see a trend where the OEMs are going to make supplier consolidations and they are doing outsourcing projects. They don't want a supplier that only can support you with products. In the future they need a supplier who can bundle all the products and deliver it as a complete solution. In Weidmüller we have a setup where we offer a complete package of solutions and some special products for the industry.
With our team we have a very high level of competence, so we are able to build up very complex boxes for our customers. If a customer has an idea for a product, we will drive to the customer with our team, develop a full specification with his requirements, and after this we will finalize the specification and build up the product. We have a fulfilled portfolio, so normally we only use Weidmüller products to build up a complete box or solution for the customer. Until now, I think we built up 15 or 16 different projects or solutions for our customers. We set up solutions to the requirement of the customer, and after we have finalized the project, we set up new projects, new solutions to new requirements from the customers.
With this setup, Weidmüller will be ready to support the strategy and the trends in the wind industry for now and in the future.